today's walk will take me all the way from Kings Beach to Shelly and back. Getting to Shelly Beach will be fairly straightforward, as I'll just take the normal road. On the way back I'll be coming back via the beach, and that's the challenging part. Let's see how I go. Now, with any walk like this, there are lots of dangers, and that wasn't planned, I can tell you. And the biggest one, I would say, would be the rocks and slipping on them. And as you just saw, those rocks can often be quite loose. So what I try to do is stay fairly high up the beach. You can see there that all the rocks are quite dry. Once you start getting towards all of this green mossy stuff right here, it gets particularly dangerous, and it's the risk of slipping increases immensely. So there you have it, that's the walk from Kings Beach back to Kings Beach via Shelly Beach, via the beach on the way back. If you're going to have a go at this, I would definitely steer clear of those green slippery areas, and also get yourself some really good footwear. Enjoy!